Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that is beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. The reason being, it's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So after you press that subscribe button and it turns gray, make sure to press that bell. And if you've already have been subscribed to my channel, you can always just press the bell and then you'll start getting those notifications. Okay. Today, I'm going to be going through something that has been on my wants list for a while, but I didn't want to get it from Sephora, which is the only place that I was able to find it besides the website of the actual manufacturer of the product. And it is the Sole de Janeiro brand of products. I am so overly impressed with this product. I had the opportunity to try this small little guy that was in one of my favorite BoxyCharm boxes, which is a subscription box that I get. And I've really been enjoying this. And these small containers are great, and I keep them beside my bed. I use them pretty much as a hand cream because the scent of the one that is in this orangey tinge, to me, it's heaven. It's a mixture of coconut and just, there's something about it that really takes me to a fantastic place. It just gives me happiness. So this is the fragrance that I fell in love with. So once I got introduced to this, I purchased a larger one of this, and this one is in the same scent. As you can see the differences of the size, so the sample size, but they have this in so many different sizes that if you just want to try it, you can try it this way here. And then they have another one that I got introduced to, and this is from their brand. This is nice, but this takes me over the top. So all my repurchases, I'm happy I had the opportunity to try this one, but all my repurchases have been this one here. And I fell in love so much with this cream. I'll show you what it looks like. This is like, I'm down to the nitty bitty of this. It is sensuous. And the aroma from this, it just smells to me like if sunshine had a smell. It is just delicious. So that's the item here. So I fell in love with these creams, and the creams are what I got introduced to. So then I decided to treat myself, and I decided to get the body wash in this, and it's a moisturizing shower gel cream. And all these products I was able to find, believe it or not, on Amazon. And I'm going to link all of them down below because, as you guys know, I'm now signed up recently for the Amazon affiliate code. So if you hit my links, supposedly that helps me on Amazon. So if you guys don't mind, if you're looking at purchasing any of these products, if you use the link, it will take you directly to the product, and everything else is normal for you. And then hopefully I will keep you guys posted if anything happens through those Amazon affiliate links, because I've only just got them. So this here is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. And this is also the exact same fragrance that you get in the cream. So I figured, why not start in the shower with this fantastic aroma and then use it, the cream afterwards. I've also used this as a bubble bath. I have been enjoying this so much. And then the last item that I just got, and I washed my hair with it first to make sure that it was as good as I thought it was going to be, and it was. And I ended up picking up one of each of these. This is the Brazilian Joa. It is a strength smoothing conditioner, and this one here with the turquoise handwriting is the Shampoo. Now, they both have this scent, and now when I'm walking or a breeze hits me, the scent is in my hair as well as layered all over my body. So from head to toe, I have this aroma with me all day. And this was really a real treat to use. You need very little of this, and the conditioner even less. It has a cute little tab on the top here that makes it easy for you to get the product out. But I'm going to open her up so you guys can see. I'll see if I can do this here without making too much of a mess. I should show you all the creams too. This here is the color of the shampoo. That's what it comes like here. It lathers nicely, and the scent hits you right away. So in the morning, if you're like tired and you really, you push yourself into the shower, this aroma brings just pure happiness to you. So that's what the shampoo looks like. And then the conditioner is a little bit harder to get out of the bottle, but it's the same push tab that's there. And then when you take it out, like I said, it's a thicker. Let me see if I could do it this way to you guys, because I've been using this and then I said, you know what, I should really show you guys this. This is it almost looks very similar to the actual consistency of the creams, but it goes in so nicely and it didn't leave my hair feeling greasy or anything. And I was able to rinse it out, and then my hair, normally I will put in a spray-in conditioner, and I didn't want to do any of that because I wanted to let the products work for themselves to show the merit of what it looks like. My hair is very thick and it's a little coarse, and normally I have to do a leave-in spray even after my conditioner in the shower, and then after that I do a spray one, and then I do a cream one, and then I do my straightener. Like, I really put my hair through a lot. But like I said, the cream, the consistency of the cream is really, really thick. So you need very, very little of this cream as well. And that's what it looks like here. And I wanted, when I got this small one, I thought, oh, it's such a small container. It's silly, I'll just use it as a hand cream. It's a little too thick for a hand cream, but I wanted the scent to be with me, and that, you talk with your hands, you move everything around. That scent kept coming back and back. And little by little, I kept adding to my collection. So started with what we got in a BoxyCharm box. I then added the larger sizes to try this one as well as this one. This was my next purchase because I figured I'll put it in the bathtub and then I use it in my shower with one of those sponges, and it goes a little bit, also goes a long way. And then the two shower products. These were, I think, around $25 each, which to me is a little bit out of my comfort zone for what I usually spend if it's not through the hairdresser salon, which is a lot more than 25, but these were 10 fluid ounces each, and you need so little that the amount that I'm going to be able to use for this is going to take me a long time to get through it. This also was around that price, and this also, you need very little. You put it on one of those squishies, and then you put it all over your body, those loofahs, even very, very little. Like I said, it was phenomenal. And these to me are a definite. If you can only afford a certain amount, then get the smaller size. I'm going to try to find, because some of these I've already have, some of them are new purchases, and I'm going to see if I can get those links and see what else is still available from this brand. They also have a candle that is my next thing on my wants list, so we're going to see if that's something that I'm going to end up purchasing, because this scent is just fantastic. So once again, I just want to read to you a little bit about this. It is called the Brazilian Joa Strengthening and Smoothing Shampoo. Like I said, they're $25 each. And they're saying it is a plant-based keratin. And that's what really got me, because I spent a lot of money twice on getting keratin treatments. And initially, when I got it, I found it made my hair almost too straight. It was to the point that I couldn't get any volume. I couldn't do anything. But what keratin did do for me was it took away a lot of the frizzies. It, cut down on my drying time. It did a lot. But those treatments run anywhere from the salons that I went to were $400, and then they start charging you more the longer your hair is. So it started at $400. So any product that I can find that has keratin in it now, because I'm not getting those treatments anymore, because I like my hair's fullness. but I also like it to be straight. Any product that has keratin is one that I grab. So this one is a plant-based keratin, and they're saying it will bond to split ends and anywhere else where there's damage. It's wrapping and coating your strands to repair and restore your hair to its peak strength. They're saying there's a patented Soul Seal technology in here for hair that will stay 2 times as strong. They're saying the delicious fragrance is in here. Oh, and here are the notes. It's pistachio, almond, heliotrope, jasmine petals, vanilla, salted caramel, and sandalwood. Each one on their own is amazing. Put these together and you have the most amazing fragrance I have ever smelt. And it says it's formulated without cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, paraben-free, free of artificial colorants. And it goes on, and it also says it's mineral oil free and nut free, sulfate free, talc free. It's just perfection. And they're saying the consistency is guaranteed, and they're saying that it is fulfilled by Amazon. So you're able to get it directly from the manufacturers, shipping it to Amazon.com, and Amazon.com is the one selling it to us. So this is totally authentic products. All right. So this way, to me, Amazon is the best way to test the products because if you don't like them, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. But I have not returned anything that I have gotten from this line, and I've absolutely enjoyed it, and I wanted to make sure to share it with you guys. All right. If you're enjoying my content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It is so important on the YouTube platform. It's found right underneath this video. The more thumbs up that I get, the more my videos will go in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they like this type of content. So thank you for doing that thumbs up. I do appreciate so much that you guys take some time out of your day to spend it with me, and sharing with you my finds and my unboxings has really brought a real light into my life. So thank you so much for tuning in, watching, and taking the time to leave me some comments. I would love to know if you guys have also tried the shampoo or the moisturizing gel, or if you, like me, got hooked as soon as this was in one of your boxes. Please leave me those comments down below. All right. Once again, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. And I want to just make sure that I leave on this note that I want everybody to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.